Hello everyone, welcome back again. So guys, edobabe husband to big go meet happiness. Auto say he don't tire, he don't know what to do again. But this time around, happiness don't finally open up to the guy. You understand? To let the guy know say what did they do edobabe not be ordinary. You understand? So I'll just like Mona stay to Mona hear everything where happiness tell the guy. And please drop your own opinion and comment on the comment section. Thank you and God bless you.
What do you think is wrong with that?
Happy, I don't know. Now, the whole thing, I think this thing is not ordinary. That's my own part of where I'm suggesting of. Can we make a movement? I don't know if you've seen a pastor or you know more than me here in this time.
If you watch her, you do
Jesus.
see a white bead, the one that she normally put
Yes.
in her leg.
Yes.
Have you bothered to find out why?
I asked her why. She just told me she just like putting it
I
on.
don't believe it's not. She's not just an ordinary person.
I said it. Happy. Happy, don't see me now. I've been moving around since finding a way for me to sort out every issue I'm facing at home right now. So you are the only one that I have now because you know your sister. You know everything about her. You know her attitude now. I know you are not in support. That's why I'm here in your house. Let's know if there is a way. Please, you need to just bring up something. There must be a way. Please.
What do you think is wrong with that?
Happy, I don't know. Now, the whole thing, I think this thing is not ordinary. That's my own part of where I'm suggesting of. Can we make a movement? I don't know if you've seen a pastor or you know more than me here in this time.
I don't believe in pastors.
Okay.
I don't do pastor things. Okay. I'm a Catholic. I don't believe in pastors. And at the same time, apart from being a Christian, I know some people marry, happiness. So, yeah, I hope God I help still. I pray everything he does. Frankly, Adobe was never like this. Yeah, I know that. She was never like this. I don't know what's changed. The truth is, there's no way I'm keeping quiet. That was like when you said you were coming. I said, fine. You should come so that we'll have this conversation. Let's see how far, what we can do to help the situation, because she's obsessed with you. She's not letting go. And you are not letting go.
If you want to let go,
She won't.
she won't. Yes, she's always like.
She won't let you go. That's the truth. So I just feel we can really do something to resolve this. Let's seek for her anywhere, whether in the native daughter house, Sele, and the church, a house of a Catholic church.
Just
Apart
let's.
from pastors, because I
Okay.
don't believe in pastors.
Okay.
Right? So there's a way. Let us find a solution.
This thing that you
Totally,
always
I know what you are going through.
happy, eh? Happy.
If you watch her, you do
Jesus.
see a white bead, the one that she normally put
Yes.
in her leg.
Yes.
Have you bothered to find out why?
I asked her why. She just told me she just like putting it
I
on.
don't believe it's not. She's not just an ordinary person.
I said it.
Each time she moved down, her leg was
Oh, okay.
her leg was swollen. So I've been trying to resolve that. So they are just waiting for her to come and do the property.
Okay. Okay.
But for now, since we are not ready to do one there yet, I'm sure, which I'm very sure, this is even the reason why all this is happening.
Yeah.
She would have belonged married,
Yeah.
even with, if not with 1, 2, 3 kids by now.
Yeah. Exactly.
It's what we put on social media that you normally see. You don't know what has happened in her previous relationships
Yes.
and how she do before. Her breakup don't usually just end like that. And when you tell somebody, I fell out of love with you, we are done. No, how does it end like that? You see them fighting over minor things. And meanwhile, this is the person that she claims to love. So my brother is not entirely ordinary. I know what is wrong with her.
You've answered my whole question that I've been asking since. Now, that's why I don't know, I just confide in you that at least let me try and be of help. Do you get? Leaving her right now just like that is possible, but the other way around, is there any way I can be of help? That's why I was saying, okay, let's be of help. If at all we can. Now that you are showing me, I don't know, we are just being natural that the whole thing is not now. Let's try now. Because every time I'm hearing her saying Ogbaja. Did you know that you go
No, be she be. No, that's who she is.
Seriously, you'll be using Ogbaja.
That's who she is.
Did you know the meaning of Ogbaja?
Edobabe na water pikin. That's who she is.
Seriously?
Yeah, na water pikin. That's who she is, man.
I foresee.
Because that bead now, if she remove her leg, if she put her back, the thing will go back to me.
I foresee.
As of January last year, you need to see that leg. Now up it dey.
Wow.
Up. She could not walk well. I was holding her hands. People that saw us in Benin January last year, they suppose know wetin sup. Na so I will hold on for her like this. The legs swell up, they use on the waka small, they follow me. I was taking her everywhere. So it's not something church can actually do.
That's true.
It is just something that she was born with.
Okay.
So she needs to, there is something that she needs to fulfill with them before they can let her go. The reason why they gave her that bit to be wearing is just to at least salvage the situation for that moment. Till she's ready to come home.
Yeah.
It's just she's not prepared now because that thing will take a very long process. She will be in the country for 14 days. Which she is not ready to undergo. So we just look for a way to also salvage this first. You understand? Even that 14 days, me I will also be in Benin, which I'm not ready to.
Yeah.
She will not want me to no, I do. It's not entirely. No, Ogbaja or water no follow come like no know what you could do for. Not that we are proud of it, we are not. My grandparent, the one that gave it to my granddad was a very strong militant doctor and a very popular person on that. Yeah, that was what he did. Son. My grandmother now repented. She repented before she. And a uncle of mine is even taking over. Even my mom, younger sister, that one now, that strong. You see the full house. Juju everywhere. You just want to say, now I don't carry myself. How my mom managed to become a Christian when she get married to me. You see something that I'm asking. So it can happen to anybody. If you be like say maybe now your grandfather dedicate you for you. You never can tell. So it's just something that has happened to her. All we need to do is just a better solution. Now why anytime when I just sense some man is strong, very active. Once you just stand, she can be doing all the love. If she's calm, you see how sweet she is.
Yeah, very, very.
Very start. Go make mommy bring down the heart. You look and she get weight. You can't hold her.
I've tried.
The day they wanted to take her to just appeal the river. So the women they brought, they were like, how they want to hold this one? She get weight. What if she decides to just follow me? I was like, I mean, there is no need of her going.
Yeah.
You didn't allow her to go. They had to go and do it on the block. because they will not be able to do that. Me say I go feel that.
No, no.
So you get with any.
Hmm.
So,
That's massive. I'm still because
I'm happy you're the first person now that wants to go
no,
with
I
this
have to.
on this very journey.
I have to.
Because
I have to.
people don't a lot of our suitors I just say that character she get no be character.
Yeah, and at all. The thing is just like she will come today, tomorrow. Small thing small thing that will be like, okay, you keep this thing here. Why did you keep this? Oh, yeah, okay, I'm sorry.
So you just
She just
start shouting up.
wow. It's okay. Thanks so much. Huh?
I'm happy at least you want to really
Yeah, I really, really want to. Really, really want to.
we'll try also. We'll try and also talk to my parents.
Okay.
So let's see how far.
So the thing is, anytime you're ready,
I'm ready anytime, but I just want to let them know what's going on.
okay. Even if it's tomorrow, next tomorrow, also I'm around.
They ask us to come to the view.
Anywhere, anywhere. We go.
So
Let's see also how far we can.
So guys, you can see the young man is fully ready. So he came on the way to find a solution. What we can do to at least help Edobe. Many people might be saying it as a joke, but it's not entirely a joke. That is why she's still unmarried till today. That's the reason why she's still unmarried till today. Not that she hasn't been getting good men to suitors coming up. Alright? It's just this thing that is doing her. And I know a lot of people with these things still they do too. I know a lot of people. I know a lot of people who has entered married. I know one say from my community. After marriage, as Simonti got her when she reached us. The marriage reached her 3 days later. Simonti she don't do all the glasses, all the glasses, clean TV, cars, everything. She can only she consider for herself fold leg. Because she was regretting it.
Yes, no.
She did as it done. So it can happen to anybody. This is not something to laugh about or to brag about. It can happen to anybody. Alright? So if you love her, keep her in your prayers. Let's see how far. If you have any suggestion or anything, I bet anybody don't suggest Pastor Dini. Don't do one. Don't suggest any Pastor Dini. People when they call they say we go not call. Don't suggest Pastor Dini. I don't do pastor things. Alright? If you have any suggestion then you can drop it in the comment section. Not suggest pastor. Thank you and God bless you.
Alright guys, so what do you guys think about this video? Hey God, this one will be smart, you know. Honestly speaking, if you know what's in this ogbanje stuff they do people, you will know that this thing is not a child's play at all. At all. But thank God say the guy himself is ready to, you know, seek for solution for Edobabe. You understand? So at least by like this now, I believe they can pull heads together and do something. But then again, I ask this question: what about your parents' happiness? At least they should know how these things they function now. They should know how these things they function. They suppose know how they function, not even they should. They suppose know how they function since they already know who they are picking be. So they're supposed to know how they, you know, do things with her. You understand? I don't know, but guys, if do you know anywhere where they can seek help, please just drop it on the comment section, because when it comes to water picking, to what I have seen, and so you understand, it not be waiting they really they easy. Even if they go for deliverance, the things they kind of worry them once. So it just takes somebody that can understand them, manage them, to stay with them. They can be very nice, very nice. So if happiness now what they do, I don't be that, then I will say, that's true. Because why I go say that's true to what I have seen, if he enter their head, they know the year one, they know the year two. So guys, please drop your own opinion, advice, or where do you think they can go and seek help for. Drop it on the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel To my old subscribers, say thank you so much. My new subscribers, thank you so much. And please, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel for more updates, and also click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload any new video. I love you all. God bless you. Thank you so much for your support, and please continue supporting your girl. See you all in the next one, and bye for now.